All buildings have water traveling to and away from them. When the pipes or joints in the pipes fail, the result is always water damage. Do not ignore any of the following: unexplained increases in the water bill, weird smells inside cabinets, stains on floors, walls, or ceilings, strange puddles or wet furniture. These can be a sign of a bigger and serious problem. If you suspect you have property damage by water, do not delay. Contact now All Claims Solutions, the public adjusting firm that will provide you with a free on-site inspection and will work on your behalf, assuring your interests are protected until you get the maximum possible settlement for your insurance claim. Visit our website, www.allclaimsolutions.com, or dial 305-716-8754 in Dade, 954-622-0088 in Broward, or 561-292-2638 in Palm Beach. All Claims Solutions, the right way to represent your interests.